In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix and solve WPS Office storage. If you are running into storage issues while using WPS Office, such as files not syncing correctly, error messages appearing, or the app becoming slow or unresponsive, this method can help you resolve those problems safely and effectively. This process focuses on refreshing the app and clearing temporary data that may be interfering with how storage is managed in the background. To get started, locate the WPS Office app on your device and long press on its icon. Once you do that, a small letter I will appear, which will take you directly to the app information screen. This section allows you to manage how the app behaves on your device. From there, tap on the Storage option to view how space is being used. Inside the Storage menu, select Clear Cache. Clearing the cache removes temporary files that can build up over time and cause performance or storage issues. These files are safe to remove and will not affect your documents. After clearing the cache, you can also tap Force Stop. When you choose this option, the system will completely shut down WPS Office and end any processes that may still be running in the background. This step is important because it helps eliminate tasks that could be stuck or causing conflicts related to storage. Give the app a few seconds to fully close before moving on. Once the app has been stopped, return to your device settings if needed and make sure you are no longer inside the WPS Office app. At this point, turn off your Wi-Fi connection. Disabling Wi-Fi temporarily helps prevent background syncing or uploads that might interfere with the reset process. Leaving it off for a short moment allows the app to refresh its internal processes without interruptions. After completing these steps, turn your Wi-Fi connection back on and reopen WPS Office normally. In many cases, this simple reset clears storage warnings, fixes syncing issues, and improves overall app performance. You should notice that the app runs more smoothly and responds more consistently when opening or managing files. This method is quick, safe, and effective, and it does not remove your documents or change your personal settings. It is a useful solution whenever WPS Office starts showing storage-related problems or behaves unexpectedly. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.